You don't know, it's Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm talking about me basically living in Jamaica. I'm not actually living in Jamaica, but I've been here for a long time. And before I get more into this video, please make sure that you guys subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Alright guys, so anyways, I'm gonna be talking about how basically I'm living in Jamaica, but I am stuck in Jamaica. I have been here since January and it is now April. Today is what, April the 20th, 420, so big up 420 for all the smoke again. But anyways, yeah, I've been here since January and it is April 20th right now. And yeah, I've just been here basically living here because this is not a vacation for me right now. Vacation, you don't know, so vacation is normally like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. That a month is my type of vacation, and that's it. Anything else further than a month is like I'm technically living here. So I'm gonna just tell you guys about how I've been coping with staying here, how I've been living, my finances, what I do, and all of that. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. My flight back to Canada was actually cancelled because my country, Canada, is doing their restricted flights from the Caribbean and to the Caribbean, and because of COVID. So apparently they claim that people can't fly to the Caribbean, including Mexico, which I don't understand because America has a lot of cases, and in the Caribbean, yeah, we have cases, but it's not as drastic as the States, but yet they're canceling flights here. It's their little tactic so people don't fly and travel. They don't want people to leave the country because of COVID, which is understandable, but you know, people, it's not only vacations that's why people leave the country. Like, there's people who have businesses, there's people who have like debts in the family, you know, emergency, you know, they need to see their family members. So I mean, I understand why them a block flights, but oh well. So I have been affected by that. So I've been here. Honestly, it's been lovely in a sense, because if I was in Canada right now, I would be doing the exact same thing that I'm doing here, which is nothing, because in Canada right now there's a bunch of lockdowns in Ontario. I'm from the GTA and there's a lot of lockdowns, and I'm a hairdresser and we cannot work right now. So if I was in Canada right now, I'd be doing the same thing. I would be doing absolutely nothing. While I've been here, every day I get up, me eat, watch TV, me listen music, do whatever. Nothing really to do. Here there's COVID restrictions, same way. There's curfew at 8 o'clock here in Jamaica. So there's not much to do. When I first came here, I did all my activities. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys seen that I did activities. But if you guys realize, I haven't really been posting nothing. Like, I'm not really doing anything, so there's nothing for me to really post. I'm not vacationing, as you guys, as I said already, I'm not vacationing, right? I'm just here like a regular person. Sorry about that, there's a bunch of people and goats passing by. Anyways guys, living in Jamaica is not like vacationing in Jamaica. To live here, like, the cost of living is expensive. You have to budget. The way how I've been surviving in a sense with money is because I have savings. Guys, this period of time showed me that savings is essential. If you guys never know what predicament you're gonna be in, you guys need to save your money. I'm a person that me love spend my money on anything will make me happy. But within the past, like in the past 2 years, I've been trying to learn how to save, and then especially when COVID came about, I've been learning how to save, because you never know what can happen. See, right now, big COVID time, enough people lose them work, enough people lose them job, enough people not doing nothing at them yard, and they're not making money, right? So the only thing we can fall back on is our savings. But if you don't have no savings, how are you gonna survive, right? So I've been surviving because in the beginning of the pandemic, my government, they gave us a relief fund for those who were affected, like they lost their jobs and stuff, and they gave us $2,000 every month for about 4 months, I believe, 4 or 3 months, I can't remember. So they gave us $2,000 every month. So from the $2,000, obviously I spent what I needed to spend on my bills, but I also put back money. So you see, if I'd never fit them the money there, me don't know how me would have survived down here. That me I tell you now. When I go out and when I'm spending nowadays, I have to really budget myself to ensure that I have money, you know, money to take care of myself, money to buy myself food, money to, you know, buy myself stuff just to make me feel happy, or, you know, I don't want to depend on the people them who are like who I'm staying with for stuff. I don't want to pressure them too much, because I'm another person in a person's house, right? I'm an extra burden. Like, it's not really a burden, but you guys have to understand that when you're at somebody's house and they're not used to you being there, you're like an extra mouth to feed. So I'm the type of person, yeah, they like my in-laws and my brother, because right now I'm at my brother's house. They are wonderful, they're fabulous. They, you know, they take really good care of me since I've been here, but I don't want to feel like I'm a pressure to them. So I have to make sure that I have my own money to, you know, make myself feel good and make myself feel comfortable. And it's because of the savings, that's why I've been able to survive. The cost of living now, when you're going to the store, anywhere you're there foreign, like whether it's the States or Canada, you see like a bag of chips, for instance, and you see it for like $2 if you want a big bag. People, when I say to get a bag of chips, the big family bag of chips in Jamaica is about $800. Zine, just to show you, like, to buy certain things here, it is very expensive. Zine, cost of living make me really can't spend. When you first come to Jamaica and you're on vacation, you want to buy anything you want. You see anything on road, you want jerk chicken, all them something that you want to buy it and you want to shell it down, Zine. But when you're living here, you really have to be cautious of how you're spending. Kind of like when you're back home, you have to be cautious of how you're spending because you have bills. I still have bills back in Canada. My bills don't stop. Me have car payment, me have insurance, and then something there to make sure that me don't pay for. So I can't be down here and blow up my money, and then in Canada I'm not straight. Zine, yeah, that's how I've been surviving with that. Now, you guys know that I'm married and I live here with my husband. Not live here with my husband, but I am in Jamaica. My husband is in Jamaica. Oh, a guest is passing by. Guys, this is Rose. She just came home. But yeah, guys, as I said, my husband is in Jamaica and I'm with him in Jamaica. So I'm kind of happy with that, because it has given me more time to see how we would be living together, and we spend more time with each other. He does work, so when he goes to work, obviously I get my alone time, but you know, it kind of teaches me how it will be when me and him really live together in the future, in the near future. So I appreciate that. It helps us, it helps grow our relationship, you know, because we've been in a long distance relationship for 7 years now, and obviously I'm in Canada most of the time, and then he's out here, and we're far apart most of the time, right? So, you know, now it's a great time for us to learn how to, you know, live with each other and just be with each other and embrace each other, and, you know, not be so far apart, especially in these trying times. Like right now, a lot of people are far apart from their loved ones and they cannot travel because of the travel restrictions. So I'm kind of grateful in a sense that I'm out here and I'm with him, you know, in these times, because honestly, guys, my mental health hasn't been the greatest since the pandemic started. I suffer with depression and I suffer with anxiety, and when I was far away from him, when I was in Canada, I was just thinking that, oh my God, like there's so much travel restriction and the can't go really get to travel. Although since COVID started, I gotta tell no lie, I come to Jamaica 3 times. I come here June, I come here October, I come here now. See? But anytime that I was in Canada, I'm like, Jesus Christ, when me I go get to see my husband, like COVID now gonna make me and my husband stay together long enough. Like meaning together, not like, you know, relationship, but together. So I'm grateful for that. Yeah, so that's my relationship while I've been out here. I'm grateful, as I said. In terms of working, I'm not working, as I said. I get up at daytime and I really do nothing really there for do. I have a little business. I sell accessories and, like, you know, necklace and sunglasses and stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me kind of bring something out here to Jamaica. So right now I'm selling eyelashes and some accessory items. I'm trying to start just a little business, just to kind of get myself doing something, because I've been here for 4 months and I haven't been doing nothing. And honestly guys, I just don't like the fact that midday I'm not doing nothing. Like me just feel what this in a sense. I don't know how people don't work, you know. I don't know how people can't work. I don't judge nobody when don't work, you know. But me personally can't not work. Like right now I just feel like I need to go and do something. I don't like getting up and, you know, doing nothing. Yeah, I wanted to do hair out here, but I'm like, yo, for me to try and make my own clients out here, and I don't really have connections like that. Yeah, me have my people them out here, and yeah, them can tell people to me do hair, but you know, so people have them hairdresser already and they don't like to cheat on their hairdresser, which is understandable. So that is why I haven't picked up doing hair out here. I mean, I've done a couple people's hair out here, but to say me I got actually start a business, no, me never do it. One thing I do love about being out here right now, guys, is I just love the weather. You know, me love heat. Me love heat. Me can't bother with cold. Me hate the cold. Me love heat. Heat make me feel good. Heat make me feel nice. I just love that I can just wake up and just throw on a t-shirt and put on some shorts, and if I want to go on the road, that's what I have to wear. Me can't bother with the Epa layer and the Epa jacket and bag up. You know, the bag of something that me can't bother with it. So I'm happy for that. The sun is wonderful. Another thing, just living in Jamaica, like, you just have to be careful sometimes of when you're on the road. I'm always very cautious when I'm on the road. I normally take taxis that I know, like if I'm familiar with the driver, I go in their car. I don't have a vehicle out here. Kemar doesn't have a vehicle out here, so taxi is my main source of transportation. So, and it's not really expensive, honestly. When I'm in Montego Bay, it's just $100 to go in town, and then $100 to go back on my yard. And while I'm out here in Westmoreland, it's $120 if you go in a Sav and $120 if you come back. So it's not that expensive. It's not that bad with taxi fare. So transportation, sometimes it's a hassle because it is COVID time and the taxi drivers are more stuff up everybody in the car, and you know, sometimes me just can't bother with it. Honestly, I'm not used to it. I cannot bother with it. I'm used to either driving in my own car or somebody has their own vehicle, and me can't bother with it squish up something. It's me not used to it, me not like it. That's that's about transportation. But other than that, I'm not cussing because I'm getting to where I'm going. Every time I go into the car, then I always pray, because if you guys know, the taxi driver, them drive fast. Them drive so fast, like me don't know where them I go. Like me don't know where them I rush I go, but them drive too fast. But anyways, yeah, transportation is good. What else to talk about, guys? There's not much to talk about, but as I said, living in Jamaica is different than vacationing in Jamaica. When you're vacationing in Jamaica, you have an activity planned out every second. When you're living in Jamaica, you don't really have activities planned. It's just like you hear somebody a keep something next door, you just go over there, go have a drink or go chat and laugh, and you just come back at your yard. Me not really go out, me not go nowhere, me not go on a beach like that. Yeah, me go a river. Me go a river one time. Yeah, me not do nothing. I just feel like me just live here. And guys, to be honest, I don't know when I'm going back to Canada, because I don't know what Canada is doing right now. They have this $2,000 hotel quarantine thing, and I'm not spending my money to quarantine in a hotel that I don't want to, you see. So, and then on top of that, as I said, they're not sending flights to Canada. I can fly to the States, but as I said, I'm not paying a $2,000 fee. So guys, right now I don't even know when I'm going back to Canada. I'm just living here, just, you know, adapting back to the lifestyle of just living in Jamaica. And guys, that is pretty much what I have to talk about. I haven't done a sit down video in so long, guys. It's been like, I think the last sit down video I did was literally New Year's Eve to show you. That's how long I haven't done it. I've done a lot of vlogs. So also with my vlogs, as I said, I'm not really doing anything, so that's why I'm not really vlogging. So I think I'm gonna start doing more weekly vlogs, like a day in my life type of vlogs, instead of activity vlogs. Like, the thing is, I love doing activity vlogs because they're more fun, whereas day in the life or weekly vlogs is kind of boring because I'm not doing nothing. So that's why I haven't really been pushing out a lot of vlogs lately, or longer vlogs, because I don't really vlog that much anymore. But hopefully I can create some content for you guys. And yeah, hey guys, I live in Jamaica now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe, yeah, if you have not already. And when me say share, me mean share with uno mother, uno father, uno sister, uno brother, uno uncle, uno auntie, uno everybody, yeah. And stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, I'm out.